Hello everyone, this is Jain and today we are summarizing the new IT Act which was passed on the date 25th February 2021, and it had some strong rules for the social media apps like Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, and we are compiling all of the rules and act in this video, so please watch this video till the end. So government launched the new IT Act 2021 on 25th February, and it had given 3 months notice period for this social media apps like Facebook and Twitter, and till date now it's around 25th May when I'm shooting this video, and now 3 months has been passed, and till date Facebook and Twitter has not responded to the government. As you may know, government has been very strict with their policies and their laws regarding the privacy. They have banned apps like TikTok and PUBG, which were very popular in India, and they have been very serious about their policies. Also last year they implemented law for the streaming platforms that they cannot show adult content on those platforms. So you can imagine how much serious government has been regarding the social media apps and our privacy, and it is a good thing, but it's just a speculation that Facebook and Twitter are getting banned from tomorrow, but we don't have a clear news yet that they are getting banned. I think apps like Twitter and Facebook will have to accept the new IT rules because India is a huge market and Facebook won't leave this chunk of their revenue which they are getting from India, as Facebook has around 300 million user base from India, which is largest as compared to any other country. Now let us discuss what is so serious in this new act that these apps like Facebook and Twitter has ignored this act for 3 months. First is, as per the new guidelines, offensive posts to be removed in 24 hours and the platforms have to appoint a chief complaint officer. Also, second thing is, social media platforms upon being asked for their court order to government authority will be required to disclose the first originator of mischievous tweets or messages as the case may be. And the third is data retention period has been reduced to 6 months. Also, this new app platforms, OTT platforms like Netflix and Prime Video and also YouTube for that matter, and Instagram and Facebook, because they are OTT platforms at the end, because we stream videos on that platforms. Rules has been made for these platforms and they have to classify the content into 5 age categories. First is under the age of 7, under the age of 13, third is under the age of 16, and last is adult content which is 18 plus. And the last rule consists that there is also an option of emergency block of any content. So government has been very serious about the adult content and the mischievous messages which are spread like memes and all. They are very serious, and government has warned these social media apps that we will remove all of this and you should appoint a chief executive officer to remove all these posts, and there should be a helpline for all social media apps. So if any problems are happening, they should be solved within 24 hours. So I think government has done a good thing, because these tech giants will keep on collecting our data, and I think it's a strong move by government. And if you ask me whether the apps like Twitter and Facebook are getting banned from India, and the answer is I think yes, because government has been very much strict. Yes, last year I didn't even think that PUBG would have been banned in India, as it was a huge app, and also TikTok. So if government can ban these apps like PUBG and TikTok, I think they can also ban Facebook and Twitter. So let's hope that they won't get banned. Please share this video with all your friends and family members and tell them about this new act, and let's hope that Facebook and Instagram won't get banned from India. This is Jayant signing off. I will catch you guys in the next one. And lastly, please share this video, as it's big news in the tech world, and also like the video if you haven't. Thank you very much.